Well, today's video is on this sunset colorful eye look. It is just an eye makeup tutorial, so I don't go over anything I have on my face, just the eyes. So I just wanted to mention before I got started, if any of these products that you like that I use for my eyes, you're interested in purchasing, I always put them in the description box below the video. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so to begin this look, I'm placing some translucent powder underneath my eyes just in case any fallout happens. I'm going into the Morphe 35B Colorburst palette and taking a white shade and just applying it everywhere in my eye area just to create a nice base for all of these colorful shadows. The first shade I use is a bright yellow, and I pop this into the crease and then blend it upwards, pretty high up, close to my eyebrow, all over, and blend, blend, blend. Next, I go into the orange shade, and I pop this right below the yellow and blend this into like the crevice of my crease. And we'll just blend until the color payoff is what we like. And then I go back into the yellow brush and blend those two shades together, creating that nice transition up to the yellow. Next, I go into the hot pink shade, and I pop this right below the orange, and we do the same thing we did with the orange and the yellow to the pink and the orange. Just applying it lower and then blending upward. Then I take the yellow again, blend all of those three shades together. Then I go into the purple that is going to be the lid shade, and I apply this really close to the lash line. Blend those four shades together. I take a packing brush and just apply a little bit more of it onto the lid, creating a more precise application, and then I'll blend upward again. Next thing I do is take a liner brush and apply a deeper purple closer to the lash line, creating like an eyeliner effect. And now we will move on to the lower lash line, and I just do the reverse of the shadows I applied. So first I'll go into that dark purple and apply this really close to the lower lash line. And then I go in to the hot pink and buff that purple out. And then I take some orange, buff that out. And finally, I will take some yellow and buff that out. Just so everything matches. For mascara, I'm going into a primer, and this is the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer, and I'm putting this on just before mascara. For mascara, I go into the Doucce Punk Volumizer Mascara. It is Doucce, and I got this in my Ipsy, and I have been loving it. So I'm just applying that to the top and lower lashes, and do a little dance, and then to my lower lashes, and then that completes the eyes. All right guys, so that completes this tutorial. I'll zoom, oops, here's what they looked like. I love how this turned out. It was so much fun for me to film. I love colorful looks like this, especially on this like gloomy, rainy weather day. They're so much fun to do. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe down below and check out my other videos, and I will see you soon. Bye.